These AI roller coaster POV videos are going insanely viral on Instagram right now. And the craziest part is barely anyone is making them yet. This niche is still unsaturated right now, which means this is probably the best time to start before everyone jumps in. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these viral roller coaster POV videos using completely free AI tools. All right, let's get started. First, I've created a master prompt for you. You'll find the master prompt in the description. Just copy the entire prompt, every single part of it. Now open ChatGPT, paste it into the prompt box, and hit send. ChatGPT will instantly give you 10 different viral location ideas for your roller coaster videos. Carefully check out each idea, and if you want even more ideas, simply type more and hit send again. All right, I'm going with number 20, so I simply type 20 and hit send. Now ChatGPT gives you both an image prompt and a video prompt. First, copy the image prompt and head over to Google Flow AI. Then go to Create Image. Set your aspect ratio and the number of outputs. After that, choose the model Nano Banana 2. Weird name, but trust me, it works insanely well. Now paste your prompt and hit generate. Within seconds, your AI-generated roller coaster image will be ready. Take a look at this. The image looks absolutely stunning. All right, now let's turn this into a video. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt. Then head back to Google Flow AI, choose the image you want to animate, paste the video prompt, and hit send. Wait a few seconds, and just like that, your roller coaster POV video is ready. Take a look at this. It looks insanely realistic, exactly like the viral videos you've been seeing all over Instagram. And the best part is, you made it using completely free AI tools. Now download it in the highest resolution available. You can create tons of videos using this exact same workflow. Different themes, different locations, different crazy drops. The possibilities are endless. So yeah, that's the workflow. Hope you enjoyed this video and subscribe to my channel AI Excentra so you don't miss the next viral niche before everyone else starts copying it. I'll see you in the next video.